after year of learning about astronomy here, I think that there are definitely a chance that there are other life forms that don't originate from Earth. My first my first thought is the just especially from this last chapter that we just talked about that how the universe is still expanding and it's always been expanding since the Big Bang. I think it's hard to say that at that point that there's not light forms anywhere else, and just how far apart places are. Second one is that some of the planets that have been found that have a possibility of having life forms. I know the ones that always come to my mind are water giants. Just the ones that have a lot of water and are completely covered in water. I mean, if you look at our own planet, we're still finding organisms in our water system and in our ocean. So I can't imagine that these planets with completely just water-based planets don't have at least some kind of organism on there. Um, uh, as far as advanced life forms, I think that one might be a little more up for debate. I I I wouldn't put it past you, but I think there's definitely not as high as a chance of that. It's just basic bacterial and other life forms like that.